Hi there, it's John again. We're doing this Tool of the Week series. This is number 2. Today's tool, Cordless Drill. 18 volt cordless drill. Various models out there. Get yourself a good make. That's all I've got to say about it. I only buy one make of tools. I wouldn't discuss that, but get yourself a nice cordless drill. Rechargeable battery. 18 volt into the charger. Charge for 20 minutes. And it's good to go. Got a light on it, got settings on it. One setting for drill, one setting for screws, and one set for hammer. So this is a hammer drill as well. So if we turn it to the screw setting, we can adjust the tension of the screws. If you're drilling into plasterboard, you can set a limit on it. You can put a plasterboard adapter on it. It'll only drill the screw in as far as the plasterboard. That's it. Set for drilling. Unscrew, put your various tools in. You can put various drivers in it, various drills. Put various drills in, you're good to go. I've got angle attachments as well, we can put in to get into harder to get places. Just a subject on drills. Masonry drills. Masonry drills all come with tungsten carbide tips. Metal drills tend to be metal drills. Come in a pack. Keep them in a pack, you can always use them. Safety glasses again, please use them. Why not? Don't have them on the top of your head like this. That's not going to protect your eyes. Get them down there. Protect your eyes, you only get 2. Cordless drills, various models out there. Get one that's got a hammer action on it. 18 volts is good. It's got 2 speeds as well. And it's got a reverse. You can reverse it or power it forward. Or we can use a higher speed. That's about as much as you can say about them. It's got a light on it. It'll just let you see where you want, what you're drilling. Ta-ra. Bye. See you next week.